In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Time Doctor in just 5 minutes. Whether you're onboarding a new team member or just streamlining your team's workflow, adding users in Time Doctor is a straightforward process. So, let's dive in and make sure you have all the information you need to get started smoothly. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable using. Once you have your browser open, type Time Doctor into the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up a set of search results, but the one you're interested in is the official Time Doctor link. Usually, it's the first result or the one with the URL ending in timedoctor.com. Once you're on the Time Doctor homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you already have your credentials saved, this should be a quick process. Otherwise, just enter your email address and password to access your account. After logging in, look for a tab or a section beneath your initials that says Add Users. This is generally located in the upper right area of the dashboard. Click on it. This section is where you'll manage your team members and their access. Now that you're in the Add Users section, you have two options for inviting new users. You can manually enter the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. This is as simple as typing their email into a field. Alternatively, if you're using Google Contacts, you can select Add from Google Contacts. This option might save you some time if your contacts are already neatly organized in your Google account. Next, before you send out the invites, you might want to adjust some default settings for each user. These settings include defining the user's access level. You can assign roles such as regular user, manager, admin, or client, depending on their responsibilities and needs within the company. Then, consider setting up groups and projects. Assigning users to specific groups and projects can help keep tasks organized and clearly delineated between team members. It ensures that each person knows exactly what they're working on and with whom. You might also want to configure options relating to screencasts and edit time. By adjusting these settings, you can control permissions for taking screenshots or allowing manual edits to tracked time, features that could be essential for maintaining productivity and accountability. Once you've made all necessary adjustments and you're satisfied with the settings, the final step is to send out your invites. Simply click Send Invites, and emails will be sent directly to the new users, inviting them to join Time Doctor. Each invitee will receive an email with instructions on how to complete their account setup. And there you have it. You've successfully added users to Time Doctor, all in just a few simple steps. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need to add more users in the future. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.